Welcome back to another video here at Broken Tee Golf Course. We're gonna see if we can break the curse of golfing horribly today. We're gonna play a regulation 9 holes with my buddy T-Babe, also known as one of the best golfers in the world. Here he is right now. We're gonna get to it. See you out there. All right, so I ended up right over here to the right, short of the fairway in the rough. We're gonna see what we can do. Probably go ahead and hit my 9. It's not too far to the green. See if I can get onto the green. All right, so I ended up probably about 20 feet short of the green, right to the left, which isn't bad because there's a really easy hazard to hit over here on the left, and then it's not the hole you want to end up long on because you'll end up in the water as well. So the fact that I'm still in play puts me at a really good chance for par or bogey, which is really all I need this whole game. Perfectly onto the green, right to the left of the pin. Amazing. Here's where I ended up. I could have been in the bunker, but I'm not. I'm gonna chip it on the green, put it in. Ended up right there. Got a long par putt, but should be able to secure it for bogey. All right, moving on to hole 2. Both one over. See if we can clean that up. My score is going to continue to go up. Terrence's will probably even out and probably head the other direction. So we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. All right, we both teed off. Terrence ended up over there on the left. I ended up over here on the right in the rough. I'm going to go look for my ball, see if I can find it. If I can, I'm going to hit it out of the rough to the hazard. If not, I'll take a drop, hit it from the fairway or right on the edge of the fairway here. I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, so I ended up hitting my 7-iron because there was so much weeds and shit. I had to make sure that my club face could get through, chop through them bitches. Hit it up, landed kind of right of the fairway over here. So as long as it made it out of this rough over here, I should be in a position to chip on. And then I believe Terrence hit a great shot, obviously, and sent his ball way up here. So he will most definitely green it in 3. Update, 3rd shot. Here we go. All right, guys, I ended up right back here. I had a bad chip, so I had to chip again, then I had a decent chip. So now I am putting for bogey. He is chipping for birdie. That was impressive. All right, folks, we are moving on from hole number 3. I am 5 over, not surprised. I'm gonna try to bring that back the best I can. And Terrence is either 1 or 2 over. We are gonna be hitting from way back here over the lake. Not my favorite, but we'll see what we can do. All right, folks, I got an extremely lucky drive. Best drive I have ever had on this hole. So I'm gonna try not to fuck it up and just put this right on the green. And I hit that from the blues, which is even more impressive. So see if I can green it in 2. Keep you posted, obviously. Okay, literally the golf gods just reached down from the clouds and they're like, oh, we're gonna give you a free fucking rub and tug. Here you go. Jerk, jerk, jerk. Cause I just fucking chipped that shit right by the fucking hole. Unreal. Like this is the most difficult, one of the most difficult holes on the course for me. And I'm looking at a birdie opportunity. Terrence is gonna be so proud. Terrence, are you proud? Are you proud of me? Hell yeah. He's proud.
All right, Colton, for birdie. Hit a good wedge shot in. It's about 4 feet. Get there. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good, dude. I feel great.
Hell yeah. Good bird.
From the blues.
Good bird.
First birdie I've ever had on this course.
Good bird, baby.
Fuck yeah. All right, guys, I managed to remove a stroke off my game. Extremely lucky. Had 3 great shots in a row. Birdied that hole out. Can't even fucking believe it, but we're gonna keep going here. Got a par 3 ahead of us. They're clearing the green right now. I'm gonna hit a 4-iron. Don't know how Terrence feels about that.
It's a little much.
Think so?
Give it a fly and see what happens.
I've got a pretty aggressive gap between my next club. It would be a 7. All right.
We got a par 3 here. About 200.
It's about 200?
Yeah.
That looks like more than 200. You're right. Why am I hitting 7? I mean, now it's time for me to show you I can hit my 7 too. All right.
Okay, we're switching up to a 7.
Thank you, Terrence, for pointing that out. Right side. Oh,
Agua.
that was an illusion. Gave me the illusion that I had it. See, I should have went with the 4. Definitely got a hold of that one. Terrence is walking over to his second shot. This will be my 4th shot because I had to drop over there. So I'm putting for bogey from way over here, so we're lucky to get double on this hole. All right, just like I thought, it all went downhill in that par 3. Triple bogeyed, went from 4 over to 7 over. This is hole 6, it's a par 5. It's my opportunity to get another birdie, bring it back to 6 over. All right, guys, we're on the 5th hole. I had a great second drive, but because that was my second drive, I guess that was technically a drop from the tee box. So I hit my 3rd shot over the water right here, and I am chipping for par all the way up there. So if I get an amazing chip and an amazing putt, I could get bogey, but most likely it's gonna be a triple or quad bogey because of that fucking drop. Perfect. Hole number 7, par 3. Terrence. Right to the left.
What happens when you actually hit an iron?
A birdie and a bogey.
That's fun.
Nice, dude.
I start from behind here and push forward.
All right, folks, hole 9. Had to drop it for my 3rd shot. I drove it into the weeds right over here, so I'm gonna drop it, hit my 3rd shot, try to get some good distance. Get on in 4, put it in for bogey. Can't remember if this is a par 4 or par 5. I think it might be a par 5, so we'll see. Anyways, 3rd shot. All right, guys, there you have it. Another game, another day at Broken Tee. I ended up at 16 over. Definitely not my best game, but I did have a birdie, so I'm happy about that.
I think I was +8.
Terrence thinks he was +8, which is definitely, he can do way better than that normally. So we're gonna get back out here once again, as long as you guys hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and hit that like. See you guys next time. Hondo's out. Peace.